Hello students, welcome back to the English class. This is basic English grammar class. Already we have seen so many videos in the previous classes as well the previous videos. What are the topics? Can you revise? Yes, we have learnt about nouns, adjectives, adverb, prepositions and articles, right? Likewise, the next topic is today we are going to learn about the 8th standard English lesson. The topic is conjunctions, right? Conjunctions in the sense you knew very well about conjunctions because we have learnt from second standard onwards, right? Linking words are conjunctions, connectors, and what are the words, what are the conjunctions are there, what are the types are there, what are the uses of conjunctions. We have learnt very well about conjunctions. So in this video we are going to learn about conjunctions little bit more than that what you have learnt in the previous classes, right? So keep watching till the end. You can learn the topic conjunctions and take notes from this and you can revise whenever you need. Thank you. Thank you to watching this video. So continue the next one. We have to see first thing. So types of conjunctions. Types of conjunctions in the sense, what are the types are here? First thing, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. So three types are here. You should remember all those things what you learnt in the previous classes, right? So before that you should know about conjunctions. Conjunctions, what is the definition of conjunctions? A conjunction is a word or a group of words that joins together words, phrases and clauses. So keep in your mind what is conjunctions. A conjunction is a word or group of a word that joins together words, phrases and clauses, right? So எப்பவுமே நாம சென்டென்சஸையோ அல்லது ஃப்ரேசஸையோ அல்லது கிளாஸஸையோ நாம ஜாயின் பண்றதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகள் தான் conjunctions அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். It has three types. What are they? Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunctions. Next one, let us see the types of conjunctions and the definition of that and uses of the conjunctions, right? The first thing, coordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases, clauses that have the same importance, right? So coordinating conjunctions, already we knew very well about coordinating conjunctions, right? So the keyword fan voice, you can revise all those things. What are the coordinating conjunctions? Fan voice in the sense but, and, or, nor, for, it, so. These are the words are called coordinating conjunctions, right? So what are the uses of that? The first thing, and I have been to London and Paris. So coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases, clauses that have the same importance. ரெண்டு விஷயம் சேம் இம்பார்ட்டண்டா இருக்கக்கூடிய விஷயங்களை ஜாயின் பண்றதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகள் தான் கோஆர்டினேட்டிங் கன்ஜங்ஷன். அது ஒரு வேர்டா இருக்கலாம் அல்லது ஃப்ரேசஸா இருக்கலாம், கிளாஸஸா இருக்கலாம், வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ், we should add that into the first one கூட second one add பண்றதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய வார்த்தை தான் இந்த coordinating conjunctions, right? The next one, but I disagree with your explanation, but I will not oppose you, right? So we are telling about the same kind of information, the same importance of the sentence, right? The next one, both and both men and women are recruited by the army, right? The next one, or you can come with me or wait here. Either or, neither nor. He can neither read nor write. He can either read or write. Not only but also, also here using as a coordinating conjunction, right? The not only girls but also boys also participated in the cookery show, right? So these are the words about coordinating conjunction and it functions, right? The next one, subordinating conjunctions. So what is the subordinating conjunctions? Subordinating conjunctions join one or more dependent classes to the main class. Subordinating conjunctions does the work join one or more dependent classes to the main class. So ரெண்டு விஷயங்கள் இருக்கு. மெயின் கிளாஸ் கூட டிபெண்டன்ட் கிளாஸஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகள், அதை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், சபார்டினேட்டிங் கன்ஜங்ஷன் சொல்லுவோம். அதில் several types are here. What are they? Time. So it is mentioning about time in the sense time எந்த வார்த்தையெல்லாம் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுதுன்னு பாருங்க. When, while, after, before, until, and cause and reason when we are used to mention about the reason, because, as, since, for. These are the words of cause and reason. Next one, purpose. So when we are telling about the purpose, it is the example words of purpose, right? Purpose of conjunction, subordinating conjunction. So that, in order that, so as to. So these are the words about purpose. The next one, result and consequence. That, so that. So these are the words. The next one, condition. Condition in the sense, already we knew very well about conditional clauses. So when we are using the word if, unless, provided that, these are mentioning about condition, right? So this is called about conditions of subordinating conjunctions, right? So condition kaga, condition நாம ஒரு விஷயத்தை வந்து if you do well you will succeed அப்படினு சொல்றோம். அப்ப if அப்படின்ற ஒரு வார்த்தை எங்க என்னவா யூஸ் பண்றோம்? கண்டிஷனா சொல்றோம். if you work hard you will pass the exam. so if you work hard, if அப்படின்றது என்ன? நீ பண்ணா அது உனக்கு கிடைக்கும். so this is called condition of subordinating conjunctions. The last one, contrast or concessions. Contrast or concessions in the sense, when we are used to say about contrast or concessions, these are the words used to tell about the contrast, right? Although, though, yet, even though, right? So even though are also called as contrast or concession, right? So keep in your mind what are the things are here: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Let us see the next one, correlative conjunctions. So correlative conjunctions. So what is correlative conjunctions? Conjunctions, already we knew very well about that. Correlative conjunctions as the paired words, right? So when we are mentioning the correlative conjunctions, it has two words, right? Two words in the sense, but also either or, neither nor. So these are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Let us see the correlative conjunctions as well its example. First one, both and. Both and in the sense, the both words are coming in the same sentence. Look at the example. Michael can both read and write. The next one, not only but also. Not only Mary but also Gabriel is from Italy. And the next one, either or. I can have either cola or tea. So as her story isn't so boring as theirs. No sooner than. We had no sooner gone to bed than the phone rang. The more you can dream, the more you can do, right? So these are the example words of correlative conjunctions and its functions also, right? So இந்த வார்த்தைகள் எல்லாமே same sentenceல கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். ரெண்டு வார்த்தைகளா இருந்தா கூட we should use the same words in the same sentence, then only it will give the complete meaning of the sentence, right? So this is about correlative conjunctions. So we have learnt about three types: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and the correlative conjunctions. Let us see the next one. So coordinating conjunctions, already we knew that, for, and, nor, but, yeah, or, yet, so. இது எல்லாமே நாம coordinating conjunctions அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். We have to remember all those things. We can remember the keyword of coordinating conjunctions, fanboys, right? So take the first letter of these conjunctions and add the acronym of fanboys, right? Fanboys அப்படின்றது நாம இதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். Fan அப்படின்றதுல F வந்து for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So these are the words of coordinating conjunctions and its example also. We listened eagerly, for he brought news out of our families. The next one, she didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. And the next one, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. The next one, they rushed to the hospital but they were too late. I'll go shopping or I'll go camping. The next one, Kelly was convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. The last one, I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. Already we knew about correlative conjunctions. So what is correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions in the sense, it is mentioning a paired words that connect classes of the same level or class. Paired words அப்படின்றது coordinating conjunctions அப்படின்றது என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். சிங்கிள் வேர்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்றது தான் நாம பார்த்திருப்போம் இல்லையா? So single word அப்படின்றது நமக்கு எப்பவுமே ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும். And the next one, conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverb in the sense, while we are using the sentences as a conjunctions, as well it add the adverbs. So look at the example. These conjunctions play a vital role in the flow of thoughts or ideas from one sentence to another through a paragraph. Conjunctive adverbs, when correctly used, give a paragraph a logical and coherent flow. These includes were such as therefore, thus, yet, otherwise, hence, moreover, however, besides, etc. Right? So besides in the sense it is in addition to, right? So these conjunctions play a vital role. Vital role in the sense it is playing about as a adverb as well the conjunctions. So both joining to the in the sentence ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி ஒர்க் ஆகும். அதை தான் நாம இங்க conjunctive adverbs அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். ஸோ இன்னும் எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஆட் பண்றதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகள் தான் conjunctive adverbs அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு பாருங்க. therefore, thus, yet, otherwise, hence, moreover, however, besides. So these are the example words of conjunctive adverbs, right? For example, sentence, she had been absent for 10 days. Moreover, she hadn't informed anyone at school. Moreover, in the sense, it is adding the extra information about the first sentence, right? She had been absent for 10 days. Moreover, she hadn't informed anyone at school. The next example sentence, he knew that the competition was going to be tough. However, he was determined to win this time, right? So இந்த மாதிரியான வார்த்தைகளை நாம எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஆட் பண்றதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ ஒரு ஃப்ளோல வரக்கூடிய சென்டென்சஸை கொஹிரண்டா உருவாக்குறதுக்காக ஆட் பண்ணக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகளை நாம கன்ஜெக்டிவ் அட்வர்ப்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக் நோட்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் ஸ்லைட். யூ கேன் ரிவைஸ் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ் whenever you need, right? So what are the example words are here? Therefore, thus, yet, otherwise, hence, moreover, however, besides. So these are the words about conjunctive adverbs, right? The last one, we have come to the end of the session, right? So we have come to the end of the session. You have to revise all those things what you need, what you have learnt in this video as well as the previous videos, and take notes from that. Then only you can revise whenever you need. Suppose if you are getting any doubts on this video, just to watch once again, you will get the content fully, right? So we will see the next video with other interesting topic as well the flow charts. Until then, you have to take care of yourself and keep learning forever and stay safe in your home. Thank you. Have a fantastic, marvelous day for you all.